start with the numbers. 2 times
9 equals 18. And 4 times 7 equals
remove your hand.
28.
28.
And 11 times 11 equals 121. And 12 times 10 equals 120.
Wait. Where is 120?
Here.
10, 12, 120.
And 9 times 7 equals 63.
Remove your hand. 9 and 7. And 9 and 4. 9 4 is 36. 9 3 is 27. 9 2 is 18. 9 1 is 9. 2 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is
9 times 9 equals 81.
okay. How will you use this?
So this is your guess. So like 12 times 12. And my guess will be 104.
12 times that. So let's check if it's correct. 12
And
times
it's not correct.
12 times 12 is 144.
Which I guess was 1.
So this is not correct. So
Mm-hmm.
so you make your guess here and then you find the answer. Make another guess.
11 times 4 equals 44.
44. So 11.
It's your
4. 44. Okay, your guess is correct. So this is a multiplication machine made in India. Smartivity. This is called a Smartivity multiplication machine. Nice.